If you have to pick only a handful of places to visit around the world, this is it, Amazon. It must be on your list. It's the heart of our planet. Everyone who is living on this planet must have breathed air that came from Amazon. It's a rainforest and it's big. It stretches over 9 countries. Of course, the most part of it lies over the Brazil, but the Peru has the second largest part of Amazon. When we visited Peru, we went to Machu Picchu. That's on the southern part of the country. From there, we took a flight to Lima, which is the capital of Peru, and there we took another flight to Iquitos, which is a very small town on the northeastern corner of the country. When we arrived to Iquitos, we had to spend a night here. Our Amazon trip was planned with a company called Moana Lodge, so the next morning we had to take a speedboat. Our fast speedboat ride took us 3 hours to go to the deepest part of the Amazon, where we'll be spending next 3-4 nights. Deep in the Amazon, we visited a very small village. The kids were having fun, having us around them. It's a very small village. Few people live down there. We visited Amazon during dry season, and this is the time when you would like to visit Amazon rather than the wet season. If you'd come in the wet season, it's a rainy season, it's a rainforest, and everything would be underwater, literally everything. Have you heard the name of the piranhas, the dangerous fish that eats your skin and meat? So for a moment, I thought I'm gonna go down to the river, and I did it for a couple of minutes. Nothing happened to me. Imagine you are having your breakfast down in the Amazon. This is it. We're having our breakfast and watching the dolphins. And then we did something incredible. We went back in Amazon at night. Small boat with our tour guide, no communication, no satellite. It was in complete darkness. You cannot see anything, and everything around you is screaming. This is the place where we stayed during our visit. It's a very small place. Few people can go down there. It's a raised platform with few bungalows around, no electricity. You can have a generator for a few hours during the day to charge your batteries and other stuffs, but literally, you are middle of nowhere. Visiting Amazon is uniquely different. It's a place you wouldn't experience in any other place. Trees are the true pinnacles in nature. They keep growing towards the sun. Everything here is trying to grow over everything else.